Hi, my name's Jake MacArthur. I'm the Managing Director of Glencoe Group, which is a manufacturing business producing wall frames and timber trusses and structural steel for the residential construction industry. We have 3 sites in Victoria. The way that we do our work is everything's designed in-house or detailed in-house, and we fabricate it ourselves. I decided to look into doing a Masters in Business Administration. The core reason was for personal development. Having done extensive research, I found that Southern Cross University provided the best fit in all of those key areas for what it was that I was looking for. The key things that stood out about Southern Cross University, other than the initial high level of communication, was the way the particular subjects had been put together. The course content was important to me, and it had the right mix of the fundamentals and what's happening in the new world of business admin. I've got 5 kids and am responsible for a fairly large organisation, but I find the Southern Cross University course fits within my busy schedule. The personal motivator with doing the MBA at Southern Cross was it takes things to a deeper level. I think you can only learn so much out in the field, and then I think going and learning more about how those things come together is really important and will absolutely impact how I act as a leader in the business. Southern Cross delivers the content in a number of ways that work really well in the online environment. You've got direct access to the lecturer, one-on-one support if you require, you've got group study sessions. I don't have an academic background, so it's completely new. What's been an amazing experience with Southern Cross is they've been able to support me through that. I would absolutely recommend that if you are thinking of going down that path to look very closely at Southern Cross University. It's been a wonderful experience for me on a personal level.